In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan your computer using the Avast free antivirus. So if you have Avast free antivirus installed on your computer, let me show you how you can perform a quick scan and eliminate any virus that might be on your computer. So once you have downloaded your antivirus, you can easily locate it from here, or as well you can access it when you go and tap on these show hidden icons. You can see we have our Avast antivirus here, and you can see there is a check mark, which means we are protected. To do so, just go ahead and double click on the antivirus, and it will go ahead and open. So as you can see, we are currently protected. But should you want to run a scan, just go ahead and tap on protection here, and then you'll see an option called virus scan. So go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on go to it, and then choose whether you want to perform a full scan or a targeted scan or boost time scan. So if you choose the full scan, it will go ahead and scan the whole PC. But if you choose a targeted scan, it will scan specific files or external devices. For instance, if you have plugged a device on your computer, for instance, say a flash disk, then you can use this. Let me show you how you can do it, because I've plugged a device on my computer. If I tap on it, it will go ahead and look for devices that are on my computer. And then I can choose from this list. For instance, I want to scan this USB drive. And to select it, just check the box before it, and then tap on OK. And it will go ahead and check for any viruses that are available on this flash or this drive. And as you can see, it is scanning it, and it is clean. There is no malware. You can hear the ping sound. It means that no malware was found and it is good. So once you're done, just tap on done. Alternatively, if you want to go ahead and scan the whole computer, you can now use this option called full scan, and then this will go ahead, scan everything on your computer, including all the drives, both internal and external, and then give you the result. And now you can see the scan is on. So this will take quite a long time, so I'll not wait for it. But essentially, this will go ahead and scan and then give us the result as we did for the other drive. And should it find any problem, you have just to choose the option to resolve, and it will go ahead and eliminate any virus that is on your computer. So that's how you perform scanning, full scan, or specific scan on your computer using the Avast free antivirus. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.